For as long as I remember, it has been my dream to have my own shop built at my house where I can work on my own cars. And I've been working towards this for years now. And today, that changes. You see, every build on this channel has started in this very garage. Well, at some point, we outgrow the garage, need to expand, and that is finally happening because today is the day where we have officially broken ground on my 30 by 60 dream shop. You guys have already seen the video where we moved the shed, chopped down some trees. We got everything pretty much ready to go for this very moment. So these guys came out here probably about 7:30 this morning and they were done by about 11. I think it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now. I'm a little slow to getting out here with the camera, but I did come out and start a time lapse for you guys. So be able to see that in the final product of the video. And if you guys are looking to have any of this work done at your place, be sure to check the description. I'll have all the links to the companies that I used in this video down in the description below. With that said, I'll be back out in a couple weeks with some more video of this and I'll fill it all into one video for you guys so you don't have to sit here and wait like I do. It'll be a beautiful thing. So if you aren't already, hit the subscribe button, smash the little notification bell, and thank you all for watching. Enjoy this one, because I know I certainly am. All right, you guys, this is it. Tomorrow is D-Day. Foundation, the concrete is getting poured tomorrow morning. They came out today and dug out the center spots for the lift where it's going to be about probably 10 to 12 inches thick there. The rest of the concrete slab is going to be about 4 inches thick with fiber reinforced concrete. Now, I didn't know this, but apparently fiber reinforced concrete is actually in the concrete mix itself, meaning they're not going to come out and lay rebar and elevate it about an inch or two off the base. It's actually mixed in with the concrete to make the concrete concoction itself stronger, which is pretty cool if you ask me. Also, a few other things that I changed here. Originally, I had 3 10 by 10 garage doors here. However, I decided over there, I want to do a 12 by 12 door to fit a bigger box truck into the shop should I need to, which I will need to, which is something that I've got coming up for you guys. Very excited to announce I have not released a video yet on that, but this kind of happened after the fact that I initially
laid out the plans for this. So as you can see, they pretty much where the bay doors are going to be, they laid, I don't know, 2x4s on the side of it. It's going to be really cool when it's done because there's basically going to be a little lip all the way around it. And then where the bay doors are, they, as far as I understand, they grade it so that it kind of lays flush with the ground, has a little bit of a ramp going in. It's going to be awesome. And then where the edges are here, it kind of is a step up, basically where the 2x4s are, to kind of signify the seam and not allow water to get in, to further keep water out of the shop, which will be very nice. And that's one more reason why I decided to go with these guys versus anyone else. And that goes for the concrete guys I got, the building provider that I got, all of the above. Everything kind of, I've seen them work together before in the past, and I really liked what they did on my buddy's shop. So again, that's why we are here today doing this. And I cannot wait. Tomorrow is D-Day. So tomorrow, they're pumping. Let's get to this. that is a wrap as far as the concrete goes. Shout out to Donny and Unique Building Creations. These guys absolutely killed it. They even took the extra dirt, which I had out by the road, and made me a nice little drive right over here. It's just dirt for now, but they're gonna probably come back out, build me an apron of concrete right here. We're gonna do millings here and millings out to the rest of my driveway. So we'll have a split driveway kind of going from there to here, and we might loop it around, something of that nature. I don't know. We'll see what happens when the time comes, but we'll worry about that later on after the building is put up. It's gonna be probably another 6 to maybe even 10 weeks before the building is actually up and a structure. Basically, from now I have to send them pictures of the concrete slab, and then they can start manufacturing it, find a crew to send out here, and they're gonna throw up the building hopefully in a day or two. But again, that's probably gonna be a while yet. So if you aren't already subscribed and you'd like to stay up to date on this, huge life-changing event basically for me. This has been a goal of mine. This has been my dream. I'm finally following through with it. So if you want to follow along, be sure to smash that subscribe button. Drop a comment if you have any questions. But thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.